Hi. A few months back, I had uploaded several videos explaining how to connect TradingView with the Dhan broker and perform algo trading. I had covered equity, futures, and options trading in separate videos. While doing the options trading, we had to use a TradingView library that I built by myself. The library was used to calculate the nearest ATM strike price of a candle. In options trading, the trade has to be executed on a specific strike price. And that strike price could be different for different candles, depending on the closing price of the candle. So that library helped in doing this task of finding the nearest ATM strike price. But I found some issues in the TradingView libraries. So I have discontinued that library, and as an alternative, I have created a simple indicator that will do the same task for us. This is that indicator, Option Strike Price Indicator. First, you must add this indicator to the chart. Then, open its settings panel. Here, you have to input the gaps between the strike prices of the instrument that you are going to trade. For example, if you are going to trade on Nifty, the gaps between two strike prices of Nifty is of 50 points. Whereas, the gaps between the two strike prices of Bank Nifty are 100 points. Various instruments have various gaps in their strike prices. So that's why I have created this input here. This indicator will provide us with the nearest ATM strike price. Now, let's see how to use this indicator in our Dhan indicator or Dhan strategy that we are going to connect with the Dhan broker. Let's say this is your indicator with all the entry, exit logics, and everything. Open the settings panel of this indicator. Here you will see an input called Select Option Strike Price Indicator. Its default value is close. Select our Option Strike Price Indicator from this list. And that's it. Now your indicator will provide the nearest ATM strike price by the Option Strike Price Indicator. But wait, how do we code this thing in our indicator or strategy? It is very simple. Let's see the code of this indicator. Use the input.source function. Give it a name. Its default value is close. You will receive the ATM strike price in this variable. You may use this variable as you want. I have plotted this variable to demonstrate the output. See, this blue line is that variable. Now, see, when I put my cursor on this bar, check out the close value here. It's 23,789.40. Its nearest strike price would be 23,800. Now look at the value of the blue line. It's exactly 23800. So it works. Now get back to the code. You won't be using the strike price in number format, right? To connect with Dhan, we need to convert this strike price into a string format. This is how you do it. And then you're ready to use it, as I had shown earlier in those videos a few months back. The rest of the procedure is absolutely the same. The purpose of this video is to tell you that I have discontinued the trading library that provided us with the ATM strike price. And as an alternative, I have created this Option Strike Price Indicator. And I wanted to show you how to use it easily. Now the most important part. Where do we get this Option Strike Price Indicator from? The indicator link is given in the description box under this video. Copy that link and open it in the browser. You will see such a page. Here, click the Add to Favorites button. Now the indicator is yours. Open the Nifty chart. Go to the Indicators section. Here in the Favorites section, you will see the Option Strike Price Indicator. Just click it and add it to the chart. Now you are free to use it with your Dhan indicator or strategy, as I had shown earlier. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.